There is no need to start throwing shoes, Barty Gang and Arianators, as Cardi B recently took to Twitter to clap back at claims that she was trying to start a feud with Ariana Grande. There is so much to tell here, people. Trust me, the tea is hot, so stay right where you're at. How's it going, guys? I'm Madison Hill, and you all know I live for when celebs set the record straight with a great clapback, so let's get to the latest one coming from Cardi B. Okay, so over the weekend, a screenshot started going around that showed Cardi B liking a tweet that threw shade at Ariana Grande, specifically about her dating history. Naturally, that one screenshot is all it took for Twitter to immediately start spreading it around that Cardi was coming for Ariana and that we were on the brink of yet another celeb feud. However, Cardi B was not about to let people start spreading lies about who she does and doesn't like. Therefore, she decided to respond to these feud rumors and put them to rest with one amazing clapback. Cardi tweeted, "You gotta do better with the photoshopping. The Y is a little cut off in the corner. You kids need to find a hobby. Leave me alone. Can I get an oh?" To further prove that Cardi is telling the truth with her photoshopping claim, it appears the original screenshot came from someone who is a huge Nicki Minaj fan, so it was most likely an attempt to try and trash Cardi B and make her seem like she's coming for those closest to Nicki. We know Nicki and Ariana have been friends for quite some time, so it makes sense as to why this Nicki fan would try and make it look like Cardi was coming for her, but clearly that is not the case. I think Ariana, Cardi, and Nicki all have enough going on without fans creating more drama for these ladies. So let's just leave any feuding to them now, shall we? All right, you guys, I can't wait to hear your thoughts on Cardi B clapping back at rumors that she was trying to start something with Ariana Grande. Are you happy it isn't true, or were you hoping for another feud? Let it out down there in the comments. For more on the Nicki and Cardi feud, check out our story about Nicki's latest collab and how she went for Cardi. And for more entertainment news, subscribe to Hollyscoop now.